Hi, if you want your next shawarma to be banging, crispy, crunchy, spicy, just like what you can see, just stay tuned and let's make this homemade shawarma together. My name is Sarah too, and it's really good to have you here. The ingredients you need are pita bread or tortilla wrap, you need knives, you need carrot, you need cabbage, you need allspice. In my case, I'm using yaji because it has everything I need in it, seasoning and all that. And then you can use grater for your carrots if you don't want to use the shaver. Then you'd also need a picker, well, for the fancy ones. You'd also need shaver because I use mine. I like the shape. And then I have sausage as the protein. You can use chicken or any other thing. And then the next thing is the ketchup. You need ketchup and you also need mayonnaise. Very important. Let's now dive straight into the process, right? So you can toast your tortilla wrap if you like, anyways. So the first thing I do is I prepare the tortilla wrap and the sausage or the protein. In my case, I just pour hot water on it just to warm it up and then open up the wrap to make it more soft and malleable because it's from the fridge. If it's not from the fridge, then there's no problem. Then the next thing I go on to slice the vegetables. You can use cabbage and carrot like I said. So I'm drying the water from the sausage now so that I can toast it. I toast it because I like the flavor, the crunchiness and every other essence it adds to the shawarma, but you can skip that part. The next thing I'm doing is I'm going to just prepare the base or the tortilla wrap. I've added ketchup, I've added mayonnaise richly, and then I'm adding the spice, all mixed spice. Then I'll just spread it around the base just for every part to get it. Then I'll add the vegetables. So now this part is very tricky, but it's also easy. Just spread it and then pour your extra ketchup and mayonnaise on it. Then mix it as if you're making maybe something like salad, but this time around with mayonnaise, right? Or on the floor. Anyways, just mix it thoroughly and be careful so that you don't smear too much cream and vegetables on the edges. Because remember, you're going to wrap it and you just need a very neat wrap. The next step is to put in your protein. If you have chicken, you can add beef, anything. But I'm just keeping mine very simple. No stress. The economy is good. Anyways, so the next thing is to prepare your wrap. There's really no technicality to this wrap, but all you need is a wrap and then you toast it under low to medium heat. I am using a pan because I don't have a toaster. If you have a toaster, please use it and make your life easy, right? I mean the toaster for grilling shawarma now. So yeah, the next thing is I'm going to wrap it just to give it that out takeaway feeling, that restaurant or fast food effect. I'm using that. You can use newspaper or anything you have. And then look at that. Look at what we have. It's just done. Simple, easy, breezy. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like, remember to subscribe, and just do all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.